Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to run GitHub code in PyCharm. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So basically when we say GitHub, we will say remote repository or version control or whatever. And basically now we will be needing just to open our PyCharm, and in my case I have the PyCharm Community Edition, so it's the 2020 version Community Edition. And basically to open or to run your GitHub code, you will be needing just to get when you are going to open a project in PyCharm, you will need just to click on Get from Version Control. So by clicking on Get from Version Control, you will be needing just to go to the repository URL. You will add any repository. So I'm just going for this book bolt, and I'm just going to copy to URL, go here, paste, and basically here it will just the directory where it will uh, have where it will store the project. And basically you can just clone or you can simply log in into your GitHub, and then it will fetch all the repositories. So you will find the list of your repository, and you can choose from your repository. You can choose the method that you would like. If you had many projects on GitHub and you are going to use PyCharm with all of these projects, or of many of these projects, it's better to log in via GitHub so you can start accessing your project easily without copy and pasting your URL each time to get the project. So in my case, I will just stick to this option. Now I'm just going to click on clone. Now it is cloning from source. And as you can see, it has started, or it's opened my projects as follows. So I have this main.py with me in gitignore, and I have all of these. Now I can simply start uh, playing with my code and coding. I can start running my code. Let's just right click and let's just run the main. Of course, there are just some bugs, etc. And now you can start debugging your code, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.